Recovering from COVID, the first thing nudged into my mind was all about Sundarban. It's all about nature and being into the wild. Definitely, when you talk about Sundarban, it's all about the aggressive Royal Bengal Tiger, also known as the swamp tiger. The vast ecosystem and the rich biodiversity is spread in an area of around 10,000 square kilometers and lies in India and Bangladesh. Being a wildlife photographer, I enjoy and cherish each and everything being created in nature and exists in Sundarban. Here you get to photograph variety species of birds, mammals and reptiles too. And puffy fish owl is in my list if I am being lucky.